Hey, tech lovers! Welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0, where we unwrap the latest and greatest in the tech world. Today, we've got some hot updates on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's unfold the details. First up, design and build. Rumor has it, Samsung's going all in with a titanium body for the Z Fold 6, stepping up its game to match the luxury of the Galaxy 24 Ultra. And get this, it's possibly slimmer than ever, with whispers of just an 11mm thickness. Plus, a wider outer screen could mean goodbye to squinting at cramped displays. Moving on to processor and performance. The Z Fold 6 is expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. That's right, folks, we're talking elite performance and AI capabilities that might just give the iPhone 16 Pro a run for its money. Now, let's zoom into the camera system. It looks like the Z Fold 6 might stick with its current setup. A 50MP main shooter, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide. But, hold the phone. Some insiders are hinting at a possible upgrade inspired by the S24 Ultra. Fingers crossed for that. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 shaping up to be the foldable phone of your dreams? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates from us. Catch you in the next video.